Want to make your scooter faster without any tools or apps? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 proven tips that actually work. And trust me, if you follow every step till the end, you'll feel a real difference in your scooter's performance. Let's get started. Tip number 5, use smooth throttle control. Most riders slam the throttle to full power right away, but that actually slows you down. Why? Because your scooter's controller might limit current to prevent overheating or protect the battery. Instead, ease into full throttle smoothly. Build up speed steadily. This lets the motor deliver consistent power, and you'll actually get faster acceleration over time. Tip number 4, brake boost trick. While accelerating, try gently pressing the brake lever at the same time. This can trigger a short power boost or even bypass speed limits. You'll feel a stronger push, almost like a mini turbo mode. It won't work on every model, but if it does, you've just unlocked a hidden trick for extra speed. Tip number 3, lighten the load. Weight matters a lot more than most people think. Carrying a heavy backpack, got a storage case full of stuff? It's time to rethink. The heavier the load, the more your motor has to work, which directly affects acceleration and top speed. Remove unnecessary weight, travel light, and your scooter will reward you with quicker starts and better hill climbs. Tip number 2, improve your riding posture. This one's underrated but seriously effective. Standing fully upright is like riding with a parachute. Instead, try leaning forward slightly, tuck in your elbows, and keep your shoulders low. You'll cut through the air smoother. And yes, gain a few extra miles per hour without touching a single setting. It's the same principle pro cyclists use to reduce drag and boost speed. Tip number 1, charge it right for peak performance. This might surprise you, but your battery level directly affects your scooter's power output. When your battery is low, your scooter often limits speed to conserve energy. Always ride on a full or high charge if you want max performance. You'll notice stronger acceleration, better torque, and higher top speeds, especially on hills. If this video helped, give it a like and drop your scooter model in the comments. I might have a custom hack just for you.